Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF on your iPhone. So you wouldn't need a MacBook or your laptop. This is pretty simple to do and very convenient actually. First of all, subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. And now let's get started. So first of all, of course, you want to open up your PDF. So I have it in my files here. And now, as you can see, there's a lot of buttons you can click on. This is a markup button, but I don't see anywhere where I could. Oh, here it is. So there's actually two ways to do this. So first of all, you click on markup, and then as you can see, there's add signature button. Or you can also click the form filling button right here, as you can see, and then click plus sign, and you can click on add signature. And now let's add the signature wherever we want to. Also, let's click add signature, you can add or remove signature, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's basically it. After this, you just basically click done, and the PDF will save with your signature. So if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.